Automotive technology prepares students for employment as an automatic service technician. It provides an introduction to automotive careers and increased student awareness of the challenges associated with this ever-changing field. Through classroom and lab experiences, students integrate technical and academic coursework with an emphasis on servicing and operation of brakes, electrical systems, engine performance, and engine repair. The Automotive Program of Study teaches CTE learners how to repair automobiles and service various types of vehicles. CTE learners may learn to collect payment for services or supplies and perform typical vehicle maintenance procedures such as lubrication, oil changes, installation of antifreeze, or replacement of accessories like wiper blades or tires. Students in each level work on obtaining ASE entry-level certifications in areas of air conditioning, electrical, transmissions, and others. Advanced students can also participate in state and national level competitions.